Greetings, everyone. Today we have a Panasonic CF-U1 recently upgraded to Windows 10. The installation went very good. Um, we did fail on 3 or 4 attempts beforehand on this operating system, but we did get it right on the fourth time. We did find a proprietary operating system for it. You could see the description for the link. I highly recommend you download this operating system only and nothing else, because the touch screen would not work on other operating systems. It would not work. The calibration was off, so it wouldn't function properly. Some of the keys didn't work. The Wi-Fi didn't work with the other operating systems. So we had a lot of trouble. So until we found this perfect build. The device could be used for a lot of things. You could use it as retro gaming for Game Boy, PlayStation Portable, Super Nintendo, PlayStation 1 games. The device does good as an emulator for games, and it comes with additional software where you can reprogram the keys for your emulator. So it's really cool. You have to do your research on all the software that comes with it, but it is fully packed. Whenever you do download this operating system, you will get an expansion pack with it. This expansion pack actually has all the proprietary drivers for the device, and not only just the drivers, it has some of the available software that's available to run on this device. So it's highly recommended. Highly recommended. See the description below for the link for the operating system. I also included another link for the entire site where you could shop for additional accessories as well as additional software and operating systems.